Epson 4990 film scanner top that has come apart. This belt guide has come loose and is sitting loose inside the scanner, and the belt is obviously sitting loose as well. To get it apart, there are 5 screws to remove, 2 at the front corners here, and then 3 at the back. 2 are in recessed holes, 1 is in the middle there sticking up. Take those guys off. Here the unit is open, and you can see this tensioner assembly looks like it's come loose from this area here. There's a spring assembly, I think, that fits in this recess, pushes against it. Alright, located the spring, which goes over the tail of this assembly, and it indeed fits down into this slot here. Fits in there like that. Looks like there were 2 plastic tabs at these locations that must have broken off, and probably have to figure a way to jury rig that to fit back in place. Going to drill a couple holes, one on either side of this tab here, to be able to put a loop of string through and knot it on the outside to hold the thing down in place and maintain belt tension. The string loop will allow it to move back and forth a little bit while holding it down in place. Alright, now drilled 2 holes, as you can see, on either side of that bent over tab that's sticking up. And now we'll get some nice heavy braided nylon thread. This is what I will be using to make the repair. This is just some nice material that I happen to have on hand. It's not real heavy, but it's quite strong. Here's a penny to hopefully put the size in context for you. Here's the string looped through the 2 holes, ready to pull tight around the assembly. Okay, with my wife's help, the string has now been looped around there and knotted on the outside of the scanner unit, as you can see here. Not the prettiest little fix in the world, but one that works. Okay, it now moves back and forth on the belt. Here are the plastic tabs that broke off under tension, causing that thing to come loose. Nice design, Epson. Here's the unit put back together. I had been getting a flashing red error light when I turned the scanner on before. Here it is with the top reinstalled and the auxiliary cable that powers the upper unit plugged into the bottom. And we'll put on and see what happens. Okay, it's powered on normally, seems to be happy. Here is a 4x5 slider positive. on the scanner glass. And here is the unit in preview mode. Takes a while to warm up sometimes. And there it has successfully scanned the 4x5 negative. And here is the full-size scan.